Greetings, EMDRIA community, and happy Pride Month. I am Dr. Tiff Lanza. My pronouns are they, them. I am a trans, non-binary, queer, neurodivergent therapist and an EMDRIA approved consultant. I'm here to speak for a moment about internal and external resources for the queer community in the therapeutic process. Now, it's important to recognize that the queer community, like many, are a marginalized community, and marginalized communities were forced into marginalization. This was not a choice, and this is not something we want. So we need to recognize that safety is only going to go so far because the world still doesn't feel safe for the queer community. So one of the biggest internal resources that my brilliant teenagers have taught me is finding our inner voice. And that could be a number of ways. Finding your inner voice could be literally a verbal voice, finding your words that you want to advocate and support, finding the voice in your mind that helps you and empowers you, finding the voice in your heart that constantly spreads kindness and love, finding the voice in your soul that brings you so much joy that you're about to burst at the seam. And all these voices will help you navigate those not so safe situations and empower you to be ready to either advocate or step back to safety. The external resource that most queer folks need is community. Our allies are amazing and supportive, and we can't do half of what we do without them. And being around people that know your story or can at least parallel your story has a strength in it that doesn't have words. It's very different sitting next to someone that you know is queer and you can sit there without sharing any thoughts, experiences, or defining anything. And there is such relief and empowerment in that. So starting with finding any and all of your voice in whatever way means the most to you will empower you to take those next steps to find community. And most importantly, find queer joy. We need so much more of that. And we need more of that everywhere. Happy Pride Month, all. Find your queer joy.